Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a quick little flip through of the new Happy Planner Blue Box. So I went ahead and opened it, and how gorgeous is this tissue paper? It is just adorable, and I want to see if I can open this really carefully. I know it's tissue paper and it's very delicate, but of course I don't think I'm going to be able to do it, but we're going to try. So let's see. Of course there's a little bit of ripping, which is totally okay. There we go. Made a nice little hole, but that's okay. So let's see what we have. We have this lovely little card, and it says Bloom Bundle, and this one just indicates what is in this box. So we have two 20-sheet sticker book and two 30-sheet sticker books, and this one just says warm weather is just around the corner, so let's bring out the bright florals and beautiful blooms. Everything in this bundle is perfect for spring planning. We hope you're inspired to live colorfully and grow a happy life. And it also contains one sticker book storage box. So I'm excited for this one. How gorgeous is the print? So let's check out exactly what's in here. I am really loving the packaging. It is well packaged. So we're just gonna pull this right out. So let's go ahead and take this all out. Perfect. And then we'll get this out of here as well and get rid of this box. So there we go. Okay, so first we have Gardening 1. And let's just kind of flip through it. I'm sure you've seen a lot of flip throughs, some beautiful flowers, some checklist, some washi that I absolutely love. Ooh, some birds as well. How pretty is this? Vegetables. So pretty. Okay, that was really, really pretty. And then we have Gardening 2. So let's kind of look around. They do have a harvest log. I'm not much of a gardener, so I wouldn't really know how to garden, but anything that contains flowers is just right up my alley. So I just had to get this box. I just love florals. As you know, I've been obsessed with them lately, so I just can't get enough. And this one is the detailed florals. So how pretty are these? That foil, very, very cute. So gorgeous. I'm loving the layering of these boxes, some hexagons. So pretty. Look at that important stuff. How pretty. Some little washi, some more foil, some circles. These are gorgeous. I cannot wait to start using these. And of course they have the flower sticker book, which you know I own because that's all I've been using lately. I cannot get enough of this sticker book. I love that it contains all flowers. They're so gorgeous. And I was actually wanting to purchase a second one of these. So it was perfect that it came with this box as well. Everything is just so pretty. So I love that this one came in here as well. Everything flower related. So that's perfect. And I actually hadn't bought one of these sticker book storage. I haven't seen it at my store, and I also didn't purchase it from their website. So I'm glad that it actually came in this box. That way I'm able to try it. So I kind of just want to open it up really quick and see if it's easy to assemble. So let's see. We unfold it. Get rid of this. Maybe some labels. our adhesive. Okay, so then we undo it like this. Oh, actually the adhesive is already on here. So it says just to peel and expose the adhesive. So it's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward. And then we go like this and just place it. So this was pretty easy to do, and it does say plan a happy life, and it does have that flower print on it, and I just love that it's this gray color. How pretty is this? And I actually didn't even know that these were divided. I don't know if all of them are like this, but this one is. And of course, they're perfect for your sticker books. And as you can see, this is 4. So I'm thinking another 4 will fit in here. So 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24 sticker books, if I did the math correctly. So I just love these. And this can just go in my Michael's cart. So probably I'm gonna have to buy some more because these are obviously made for the sticker book, so they're the perfect size. They're not too wide, too little. They're just perfect for that. So I love this box. I'm probably going to get a lot more, and see, they just fit in your cart so nicely. I am loving this. So I just had to get this box. I think it was such a great little box. It's full of all floral things, and that's what I've been obsessed with lately, just flowers. I am loving it. I think it's perfect, and I can't wait to start using all of this. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.